plants a crucial part of all of our lives? Whether or not you are a meat eater or a plant eater, you need plants because plants do so much more than simply feed us. So, this video will be a basic introduction to the topic of plant biology. Um, it's such an important topic, but obviously, just like I did before, I was like, why learn about plants? Doesn't even matter. Like, why do we care that much about plants? But in reality, they matter a lot, and hopefully I can show you a little bit about this today. So all of these plants are pretty cool that I showed here, but obviously there are many boring plants, which is probably the initial ones you think of. Um, and all of them help us in some way. So let me illustrate what I mean. So what's what? Plants have a special relationship with humans. Sometimes, if you're a vegetarian, you eat plants and you get some energy from that. Because plants are autotrophs, meaning they can make food or grow without eating anything. They just need sunlight and soil and those kind of things. But they don't eat anything, so they grow through without eating anything. So that's nice because that means we can eat them because we are heterotrophs, meaning we need to eat something else to gain energy. We don't make energy from sunlight. But besides eating, because say you're a meat eater and you don't eat any plants, and you're like, well, I don't need plants because I don't need plants at all because I don't eat them. Like they taste bad. Well, without knowing it, maybe you didn't realize, but you do need plants, even if you're a meat eater, because they use the CO2, the carbon dioxide that you exhale, to produce oxygen for you to inhale, okay? But just like that, plants need us because if we didn't produce carbon dioxide, they would struggle to use it and to be able to make us oxygen. So it's a symbiotic relationship. We need each other, okay? Now, what exactly is plant biology about? What will I be teaching in the course of this plant biology unit? So, many things. So let's think. What am I going to teach about? I'm going to teach about the xylem, the phloem, reproduction, and growth. All of these things are super important and will require a full-on video by themselves. So over the course of the next week, hopefully, I'll be able to make a video on each of them as good as possible, and then you'll know everything that is needed regarding the topic of plant biology.